SD Touch 2, Manual Baking. Press Manual Baking. Set the desired baking temperature by pressing the temperature digits or using the minus plus icons. Or use the minus and plus icons to change temperature. Set desired bake time by pressing the minus or plus icons. Or press the bake time digits and change the baking time stated in minutes. If the bake requires steam, set the length of steam input by pressing the steam input digits. Or set steam input time with the minus and plus icons. The steam will be added at the very start of the bake for the set amount of seconds. When the oven is heated and has reached desired baking temperature, the ready to bake signal will sound to alert you. Begin bake by pressing start. During the bake, open the damper to release steam and odor by pressing the highlighted gray icon to the left in the bottom right corner. Close the damper again with highlighted gray icon to the right. Anytime during the bake, you can increase or decrease the temperature or time with the controllers. To stop the bake, press stop and then confirm that you would like to abort the current bake. When a bake is completed, a pop-up window will appear. Decide whether to continue the bake or to finish the bake, depending on the product being baked. When the bake has been finished and the door is open, use highlighted arrows to rotate the rack into the right position for emptying the rack. If you would like to bake again with exactly the same settings, just click Start again. Save the last manual bake with all settings as a recipe by pressing the plus sign in the top right corner. Name the recipe and press OK. If the settings are satisfying, press Save. Otherwise, it is possible to make changes to temperature, steam, fan speed, and fan delay. Press Save and the recipe gets saved into the recipe menu for quick access.